Ever wonder why the fresh cut fries at restaurants are always better than the ones that you make at home? It's not just the double fry method or the type of potato they use. It also comes down to how they cut them. Restaurants usually use a fry cutter, and that small detail completely changes the texture, giving the fries more surface area to crisp up. Let me show you how all that happens. Here is a French fry cutter. It uses a mechanism to push potatoes through a grid of blades that creates the French fry shape we all know and love. Here is a raw fry cut using a knife. And here is a raw fry pushed through a fry cutter. Notice the difference? When restaurants make fries, they usually use a fry cutter. The cutter doesn't slice clean like a knife. It kind of pushes and cracks the potato, leaving tiny rough spots all over the fry. Those spots crisp up like crazy in the hot oil. When you fry foods, the more surface area and rough edges it has, the crispier it gets. A greater amount of microscopic ridges, cracks, and pores allows for increased oil contact during frying, as well as more efficient moisture evaporation. These factors contribute to crispier fries. If you cut fries at home with just a knife, the sides come out smooth, and smooth sides don't crisp up as much, so your fries end up softer. So that is one of the reasons why restaurant fries taste that much better than what you try to make at home. So what can you do about it? First thing you can do, if you're a French fry fiend, might as well just get a fry cutter if you have space for it. Even if you don't have space for it, make some space for it. They can be a pricey investment, but you can get different blades for different fry shapes, and overall, it's just a good time for everyone. Second, there is a method by Kenji Lopez Alt where you boil your fries in vinegared water before frying them. Something about the acidity making the fry surface stronger, which keeps them from falling apart and also makes them fry up nice and crispy. Third, you can cut the potatoes with a crinkle cutter knife, and they're not bad. The crinkle cutter blades aren't razor sharp, and they get a decent texture out of them, and let's be honest, crinkles are just fun. Finally, the best fries I've ever made at home are made using a fry cutter or crinkle cutter, vinegar boiling using Kenji's method, and then double frying. Using the common russet potato, the fry cutter gives you a good foundation of texture and a consistent shape. Store the potatoes in water to prevent them from turning brown until you're ready to boil them in the next step. Place the cut potatoes in a pot and cover with water. Add 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt per quart of water. Bring to a boil over high heat and boil for 10 minutes. This boil rinses off excess surface starch, which prevents overbrowning when frying and also strengthens the pectin in the outer layer of the fry, which results in a nice McDonald's fry-like crisp bite after frying. Dry off the fries and let rest for 5 minutes. In a large pot or large wok, heat up peanut oil or vegetable oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you're feeling pretty awesome, get yourself some beef tallow. That's the good stuff. Put a couple handfuls of fries in the oil. The temperature should drop to around 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for 50 seconds and then remove. Allow fries to cool to room temperature before the next step, or freeze them to finish cooking another time. Return oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and fry potatoes until crisp and light golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. The oil temperature should drop down again to around 360 degrees Fahrenheit, so adjust the heat to maintain the temperature at 360 Fahrenheit. Take the fries out, shake off the excess oil, and season them while they're hot, and that's it. You're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it useful or you learned something, or if you found it entertaining, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It'd really help us out a lot. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.